A few of you. As you see on the map right there, Norway is in Europe, and we border Sweden, Finland, and yeah. Some facts about Norway is that we're about 4.5 million citizens, so a tiny country compared to the US at least, but bigger than the rest of the citizens. And we also have a king. We have King Harald V. The capital of Norway is Oslo. That's where I live. That's the biggest city in Norway. In Norway, we don't talk. Everybody knows English, but our main language is Norwegian. And as already mentioned, Norway is a part of Europe, which is a continent. Some weird things in Norway and traditions. In Norway, we have something called brown cheese. That's pretty usual to eat on bread and stuff. It's just basically cheese with goat milk instead. And we also have this green waffles with hearts. And on Christmas, we have a tradition where we eat rice pudding and we put one almond in the whole thing. And the one who gets it gets marzipan cake as a reward if you find it. In Norway, I guess most of you guys open Christmas on 25th, the morning, right? Yeah. In Norway, we're opening the evening of 24th on Christmas Eve. And some Norwegian inventions, probably the most popular and famous ones, are the cheese slicer, as seen in the picture over there, and the paper plate. Oslo. As mentioned, this is all over where I live, and also where the king lives, and the government and stuff is. And it's, as already mentioned, the biggest city in Norway. This is my home. Does anybody have like a similar looking home here, or is it really weird? Yeah. Cool. This is a pretty old house. I think it's about over 100 years old. This is me and my Norwegian family. That's my dad, sister, and me, and that's my sister, my mom, and me. So in Norway, we have a different school system than you guys have. We have 7 years of elementary school. You guys have 5, right? Yeah. We have elementary school. We have 3 years of middle school. So we go 1, and then you go 8, 9, and 10 at middle school. So when you go to high school, you start over again. So I have 3 years since I go to like preparation for college. But if you want to be a hairdresser or build houses or anything specific like that, take 2 years of education, and then you have 2 years of working for someone. But the funny part is, when you start high school, you're not considered as an 11th grader. When you're 11th grader, you're considered a first grader again. So I would be in my second year. So in Norway, I would be considered to be a second grader. So this is the elementary school I went to in Norway. This is called Slemdal skole. This school wasn't particularly really good. We got thrown out because a safety hazard to be there. Not good for you. This was my middle school. This is Ris skole, also translated to rice school, if you think that's funny. And this is where I was currently going. This is Blin videregående skole. This is some activities we do in Norway. Hiking, water skiing, swimming, and playing soccer. Does anyone here play soccer? You guys? The most Norwegian famous sport is skiing. There's a saying that all Norwegians are born with skis on their feet. Kind of see, that's me when I'm probably 3 years old, I think. Skiing is really popular in Norway. And that's all I have. Does anybody have any questions for me? That's cool. Yeah, you're right there. Oh, that's not good. You weren't here wearing a helmet? flew from Norway to London, which is in England, and then I flew all the way from England to New York. I was there for a few days on like a exchange student camp, and then I flew to Austin and then to GI, and then drove here. I got picked up by Megan. Yes, please. My mom's name is Alma. It's like Anne with an E on the ending. And my dad's name is Henning. They're pretty Norwegian names. And my sister's name is Julia, or Julia as you would say. Yeah, here and there. Henning. Yeah, how about you? Huh? It's about 5.4 million citizens. Yeah, you can back if you like. I can take another one and come back to you if you want to. Yeah, you're right there.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Did you come all the way here just for the presentation?
What do you say?
Did you come all the way here just for the presentation?
And not to America, but to this high, to this elementary school I did. Yeah, we use the red Twitter. In Norway or here? Pretty much the same as you guys do now. We just go trick or treating, or stay with friends and watch a scary movie if you're older. Yeah, you're in there. When do I go back to Norway? I am from Norway. I'm Norwegian. Yeah, we have 1 through 7. We have 1 through 7th grade in elementary school. Yeah, you're right there in the back.
What do you do for Christmas?
Oh, I think much of the same stuff except the rice pudding, rice pours, and we have a Christmas gift on 24th. Apart from that, it's pretty similar. Just you guys have a lot of Christmas lights at your houses. We don't. Yeah, you're there. For Valentine's Day? I guess same as you do here, Valentine's Day is not a Norwegian tradition. We just adopt it as someone else. Yeah, you're right there with it, Matt. Huh? You play soccer, that's cool. What position do you play? That's cool. Yeah, you're right there in the back.
How long are you here?
I'm going to be here until end of school year, so 18th of May is my last day at school. So probably, I don't know how long I'm going to stay out there. But yeah, you're right there. Same as much as you guys do, but in Norway we eat a lot of fish. Seems that it goes to the sea, so we will eat a lot of fish, and we also eat a lot of moose and lamb. Yeah, you're right there. Can you speak up a bit, please?
Stand up.
What was your
Or
question?
tell us the question.
Have you ever found the almond in the rice pudding?
Yeah, I'm actually pretty lucky at that game. I get it like almost every year. I think I got it like 4 out of 5 last years. My sister was so jealous. I have never gotten glasses in my like, of course, vision, but my mom has. But I don't need glasses. You guys. I tried American football. Well, I played for like a week or something, and I quit. That was kind of boring. I was fun kicking, but I wanted to play soccer, I guess. And yeah, you ended back with glasses. And my birthday is 23rd of May 2005. So I'm 17 and turning 18 in May. Yeah, you in the pink sweater. Oh, what sports I play? In Norway, I just play soccer and go work out at the gym. But here I haven't tried. I played tennis here at like high school, and tried to play American football for a week. Now I'm trying to play a bit of basketball. And I don't really do sports, but I've tried pretty much every sport when I was younger. I just figured soccer is the most fun. I also played bandy if anyone knows what that is. Yeah, you're getting red sweater. That's cool. That's cool. I'm just a month older than you in a few years, probably. You in the back there with the blue jacket. Yeah. What kind of? Oh, what animals we have? I think I have the same ones that you have, but we don't have as much, I think. But we have moose, if you guys don't have that here.
Wait, one more question.
You let me the last one. Yeah, you in the back there.
Did you have a job in Norway? Did you have a job in Norway?
If I had a job? Yeah. I had different jobs. I worked every summer for a place close to my cabin, and in Oslo I worked